Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're inside the big showroom today. Going to take a look at a brand new Solstice 250. So this one was ordered with all the goodies. This one has manual water sports tower with forward shade, biggest stereo available from the factory. So JL audio throughout, extra JL tower cans, transom speakers on the back, subwoofer under here, as well as another subwoofer underneath the back seat. Biggest lighting package available from the factory, LED or RGB lights, I should say, in the speakers, cup holders, under the seats, under the rub rail, underwater in the back. Raised helm, dual SIMRAD screens, which I absolutely love, so super easy to get your GPS up to control all the controls on the boat. Twin captain seat layout on this one, flip-up table on the side, and my favorite part of the boat back here, just huge transom area, new lily pad ladder, which I am a huge fan of. Easily the best ladder in the pontoon industry. 300 horsepower V8 ski tow bar, stern safety rail, flip down swim seat. So this one's absolutely loaded. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.